me, you'd be fascinated, 21 years old, Imam of a masjid, 3,000 people, subhanallah. I ain't no miracle. Really, I ain't no miracle. If anything, I'm worse than you people. But I tell you something, if I am something today, it's not my doing. It'll never be my doing. I cannot put my hand on heart for him. No, it wasn't me. But I tell you one thing, my mother sussed this society out. She knows it inside out. She lives at home. She picked up on what happens out there. When girls meet boys in cinemas, look at each other, give her the eyes. Oh, she's clocked on. Good. What's next? Yeah, the guy dares her, go on then, go pull a number then. Go pull it, if you're a player on that. So he goes and makes a fool of himself and says, look, come on, sort it out. Where did you learn this from? Watching Bollywood movies. Where did you learn this from? Watching drama. Where did you learn this from? Hollywood. You didn't know how to do this, but how? Where did you learn it from? Look at your society. All the guys you hang around with are bagheads. They smoke spliffs and joints, that's all they do. You learn from them. And if the father has a nisbat to the son, if a father is connected to his son, and the mother is connected to the daughter, and that connection is strong. When the child is 6 years old, don't say, you change his nappy. You look after your son. I go out and work. The son, as much as he's attached to the mother, he always looks up to his father. He always looks up to his father. And then, with me, in my case, my mother gave so much attention. I didn't have a phone until I was 16 years old. I didn't know what a phone looked like. And I always said to my mom, if I had a phone at the age of 12, today I wouldn't be where I am. Today you give phones to your children, 12 years old. Khair hai, putter going to be late from school, phone karing si, I'll pick him up. But you don't realize, putter has 15 girls who go to the same school with him in his class. Say, let's try this phone, how this works. In good ways, in bad ways. The guys tell him, I did it, you do it as well. Kids today, they look at their friends, society, gangsters. So this